are here for the second test.
Test number 2. First test failed because of a steering linkage issue.
Yeah, exactly. Now we are confident that everything will be right.
Let's go.
Aia. Okay, we have steering problem, but let's try maximum speed.
Oh wait, dude. You can't go there.
Why?
Oh, yeah, can't go.
No, but put it. The car is steering a little bit to the right. Yes. Try. We only try. Okay. Stop it. Okay, let's try only the fast speed because full power from the beginning. Wait for it. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop! Ah! Okay, we remove the body because we want to analyze how we lose the steering wheel. Big damage. We lost the front wing. Ready?
That's okay, we will fix it.
Let's turn it on.
Turn on the transmitter. Turn on the... Wait. Let me do it like this. Turn on the car.
Yeah.
Lights and everything. Right. Watch it now. I cannot steer. I can't.
Whoa. That's a big damage. Big damage, guys. Big damage. Box.